So they have this greenhouse that One Hope brought in Sierra Leone to help to improve the food value, to help to grow vegetables since they have some health advantages. I'm envisaging this project to be one of the problem solver for this country, because in Sierra Leone, vegetables are only eaten by rich people. With the intervention of greenhouse, it has led to accessibility of vegetables, no matter the status, no matter the gender, no matter the amount of money you have. With the help of the greenhouse, vegetables are going to the market. Each and every average earner, be rich or poor, you can able to have access in getting this food, these vegetables. We are encouraging our farmers, telling them to grow short-term varieties. You grow vegetables that you can harvest within the reach of 3 months. The main guys that are in the forefront of Ebola are the medical teams. After Ebola now, we are expecting of food security. So with the help of this greenhouse, it can play a very vital role in helping to improve the food security. Because most of the survivors are malnourished, they don't eat the appropriate food, and with the help of this greenhouse, it can help them to get the right food that they require for their health, and they can able to learn skills from this greenhouse. When they go to their various homes, they can able to grow their own backyard gardens and eating free, fair and healthy food that will help them in the post-Ebola Sierra Leone.